Hi guys, it's Sun here, and in this video I'm going to show you how I usually apply my eyeshadow on my eye, which is this kind of hooded monolid eye. So let's get started. Hi, so I have applied my foundation and also draw my eyebrow. Now I'm going to show you how I usually apply my eyeshadow. For this look, I usually use this palette. It's GlamX Cosmetics and it is a local Malaysian brand. They are well known for their glitter eyeshadows and also highlights, and they have a huge variety of eyeshadow palettes too. And if you're interested in browsing their website, I'll put the link down in the description box. So usually I use this color. As you can see, it's almost finished. For my daily makeup, I always only use this color, only this color. Then you can put one more layer at the outer corner of your eyes. Blend it out. Then after that, I'll take this blending brush and blend the harsh line. And then I will also use the same color for the bottom part of my eye. Like this. After that, I'll use this color, the lighter color, to add it right here. So I am done with this eye. Now I am going to go ahead and complete this eye. Hi, and I'm back with the complete look. This is how it looks like after both eye has been applied. The next step for this look is mascara. I usually don't apply eyeliner because when I apply eyeliner here, and if you see me from afar, you can't actually see the eyeliner, so I've always think that me applying eyeliner is kind of a waste, so I never apply eyeliner unless I have false lashes and also color contact lenses on. So For my daily makeup, I usually just leave it as it is, but add mascara on my bottom and upper lash. I usually use this mascara. I got this mascara because it's a 2-in-1 mascara. You can use it for volumizing your eyelash. You can also use it for lengthening. Why do I call it 2-in-1? Because it has this rotation knob, and you can just like this. Hey, can I show you? Can I show you? I don't know. Yes, I can show you. Ooh, awesome. Oh no, it's okay, so for now, okay, I'm gonna turn it now. And now it's in the lengthening mode, where it's slimmer and the bristles are longer. And then I turn it the other way around, and there, it has become thicker. This one is for volumizing. So yeah, so I usually use the volumizing one for my upper lashes. And then I'll use the lengthening one for my bottom lashes. And we're done with our eyes. I'm going to put on some blush and also lipstick, and I'll show you the end result. So thank you for dropping by. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy this video, remember to like, maybe share, and also subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.